Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things green and growing. Today, we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to many of us: raised bed gardening. Now, before you dive headfirst into your gardening adventure, there are some common mistakes you'll want to avoid. So grab your favorite cuppa, settle into your garden chair, and let's explore these 8 beginning raised bed gardening mistakes together. Mistake number 1 is forgetting about location. Location? It's not just a mantra for real estate, it's crucial for your raised bed too. Choosing the right spot with adequate sunlight is key. Aim for at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Remember, veggies need their vitamin D too. Mistake number 2, overwatering or underwatering. Finding that sweet spot can be a bit tricky, but here's a tip. Stick your finger into the soil about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Still moist, hold off for a bit. Your plants will thank you for this gentle approach. Now, on to mistake number 3, neglecting the soil. Your raised bed is like a gourmet meal for your plants, and the soil is the main course. Don't skimp on quality soil, and be sure to add organic matter like compost. This creates a nutrient-rich environment that encourages healthy plant growth. Mistake number 4 is a common one: overcrowding. It's tempting to plant everything under the sun, but remember, plants need their space too. Follow the recommended spacing guidelines for each plant to ensure they have room to grow and thrive. Mistake number 5, ignoring pests and diseases. They're like unwelcome guests at a garden party. Keep an eye out for signs of pests and diseases, such as holes in leaves or yellowing foliage. Early detection and prompt action can save your plants from major headaches later on. Mistake number 6 is skipping mulch. Mulch is like a protective blanket for your soil, keeping it cool, retaining moisture, and reducing weed growth. Plus, it adds a nice aesthetic touch to your raised bed garden. So don't forget to mulch it up. Mistake number 7, neglecting to harvest regularly. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Harvesting your crops when they're ready not only ensures peak flavor and nutrition, but also encourages continuous growth throughout the season. Last but not least, mistake number 8 is giving up too soon. Gardening is a journey, not a sprint. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or initial challenges. Learn from them, adapt, and keep nurturing your garden. The rewards are well worth the effort. There you have it, folks. 8 beginning raised bed gardening mistakes to steer clear of on your green thumb adventure. Remember, every gardener started somewhere, so embrace the process and enjoy the journey. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Until next time, happy gardening.